back to our channel!
So for today's vlog, we're gonna show you guys how are we going to prepare for our 3-day na work duty. Let's go!
So here's my stuff. Ito yung binake ko na oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, some toiletries, clothes, tapos yung mga other stuff.
And of course, since I'm gonna be a passenger going, some clothes, bring my makeup kasi, you know, I'll be working on the second leg. Extra masks, melatonin kasi baka hindi ako makatulog. And I have here my toothbrush, toothpaste, some wipes kasi 3 days kaming hindi maliligo. So, dalawang klaseng wipes. So, I also have some playing cards. Wala lang. I'll see you guys later. Shower time.
So guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And it's time to do our makeup and prepare for our flight tonight going to LA. So, I'm flying with Heather, pero hindi kami magka-duty. Kasi ako working papunta and siya yung working pa uwi. So, yep, let's do our makeup now.
Guys, okay, so here I am inside the car. I placed all my stuff inside already, but you know, it would be easier for me to take a video since I'm doing it alone.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
So guys, this one, I'm gonna drink this on the way to work kasi bawal nga pala siya sa carry-on baggage. I'm actually ready to go now. It's MECQ. So, from what I heard, it's gonna be, you know, strict again sa road. As flight attendants, we are authorized person to get out. I mean, go out of the residence, diba? Safe naman tayo, mga ka-Inday, to go out.
Now, I'm driving na to work and it's 4:54. Commonwealth na ako. Reporting time namin is 7 p.m. but we have to be there ng mga 1 hour to 30 minutes earlier because we have briefing prior our flight. And ngayon, medyo may extra briefing dahil nga about sa PPEs, new service, dahil simplified service na kami ngayon. So, yun, we have to be there a little bit earlier. Dadaan ako sa Palmed to get my medical certificate extension. Dahil required sa amin na merong MedCert. It's a no-go item. Like, para siyang passport, ganun. So, kailangan valid siya. And yung akin expired na. So, papa-extend ko. So, yep. I'll drive lang. See you later, guys.
We're together!
We're flying together again!
Hulaan niyo kung sino si Heather at sino si Kel. Guess who?
Guess who?
Guess who, guys? So, we're here at the office na.
Yes, and
the
it's
parking, oh my gosh.
6 p.m.
Yes, exactly 6
Yeah.
p.m.
7 yung RT namin.
Okay.
So, yeah.
This is so cool.
This is so actually, ang ganda. Sa Shopee lang namin nakuha to.
Shopee lang yan.
Yan. Alright.
Okay, so, ayun na nga guys, we're flying to LA tonight.
Yan na.
Grabe na
Tonight.
And, ayun.
Working ako, cargo flight. Sila, ripat, pauwi. So,
Coming
sila lang
back.
yung pasahero ko, mga crew.
Diba? Ang saya!
Yeah, actually.
Joke lang.
Walang tao, so puro cargo lang. Hindi na kami makakapag-vlog later. Mga onting clips na si Heather kasi siya yung pasahero. So, may 5 hours kami na ground stop sa LA.
Siguro, may cut yan. Wala akong sasabihin.
Oh yes! We have to
guys.
go up na guys and kakain pa kami.
See you guys!
See you later!
Thank you! Like and subscribe! Mwah, mwah. Stay safe!
Celsius. Night time is about 40 minutes and expect to touch down Manila.